Hi everyone, today I want to show you how XLOOKUP works. It's a very popular Excel functions. It's the child of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, which were two fundamental Excel functions used back in the day. Essentially, XLOOKUP is used to transfer Excel data from one sheet to another, but for simplicity, in this video I've put both tables in here. So what we want to do is we want to fill in the missing information in this table right here with with the corresponding information in the second table, because as you can see, product names are available here for every product ID. So the good news is that we have product ID in both of these tables, and we'll be kind of using product ID as the key with which we can then guess a product's name and fill in this table correctly. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the XLOOKUP function, and you'll see how easy it is to work with it. I've built a tool. It's called Guidy, and I'll be using it in this video. But even without Guidy, you'll be able to create your first XLOOKUP function by yourself. Right, so I'll go ahead and ask Guidy. By the way, Guidy works with any software, and it's super cool. It's like a visual ChatGPT, visual AI. Right, so hey Guidy, can you please help me create an XLOOKUP for a product name? Yeah, I just need to create this XLOOKUP function here. Okay, and I've asked Guidy my question, and what it will do is it reads the screen and right away to indicate what I need to do. And what's even cooler is that I can go into guidance mode, and Guidy will point at my screen and it will show me everything that needs to be done step by step. Right, see, it's writing things on my screen. So I'm clicking on cell E5, and I can imagine that the next step is to actually type the XLOOKUP function. Now, in this case, Guidy indicates the entire function, but I want to go through its components with you step by step. And yeah, so the first one is the lookup value, which Guidy says is in C5, and that's correct. This is the product ID. Basically, as we said, the value which we'll be using to find the correct product name. Okay, and the second argument of the XLOOKUP function is the lookup array, which in this case is the place where we want to find product ID, the lookup value. And we want to find the lookup array in the product ID column of the second table, correct? Because this is where we'll be looking at, right? And the return array, this is what we want to get in this case. Whenever we find 𝑃104 in this table, we want to get a 27-inch monitor, right? So this right here, N, is our return array. And right, this is the next argument. I'll simply have these three arguments as Guidy indicates. And the good news is that the function worked. I'll simply go ahead and paste down the XLOOKUP function that we created. And this is how we create the XLOOKUP function. I hope that you learned something new in this video. Thanks so much for staying until the end. Make sure that you check Guidy if you're interested in an AI assistant that can help you with anything on your screen. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and thanks so much.